Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well at your home. So today's video, it's really close to my heart because I'll be sharing something that I can believe can save your time, energy, or maybe your future also. So it's not just a story time video, it's about how I end up in a second college, what mistake I made, what I learned through this, and especially how you can avoid going through the same confusion and pressure also. Not a topper or high rank J scorer. I am just an average student and I had taken a drop year 2 also. Unfortunately, I didn't get into a good college during the normal rounds, and I ended up going through the spot round where most of the good seats were already taken. And yeah, it was a stressful and uncertain time, and if someone going through that, I can literally feel you how it's feel to be in that position. During this time, I found about a branch called Data Analytics in DSU, Delhi Skill Entrepreneurship University, and at that time, it felt like a great opportunity, something fresh and different. After talking to few seniors and even a professor also, I decided to go for it. I completed all the application formalities and waited eagerly for my first day of college, and then reality literally hits me. When I reached the campus, my first impression was just average, not too good, not too bad. I asked the guard where was the orientation was happening. He directed me to a hall at the back, and but to my surprise, it wasn't a hall. It was just a small room they were calling hall. Literally no proper arrangement, no good faculties, and the most worst part about this is were seniors themselves advising us to leave this college and look for better options. They said literally things like, "This is the worst college. You are paying nearly 9 lakhs for 4 years and getting nothing in return." While we were all discussing about how to move out, and one of my friends mentioned something I had no idea about, a special spot round. He explained that these are the last moment admission opportunity that sometimes open up if there are still vacant seat available after all normal rounds. So I checked immediately and found out at that time DTU का हो चुका था special spot, and IGDTU का था 24th August, and that day was 21st August. I had literally 2 to 3 days to take the biggest decision of my life again. I had to do everything and talk to my family, explain the situation, convince them, and most importantly, manage the money for IGG2 admission in such a short notice. It wasn't easy, literally believe me, it wasn't easy for me. But when I spoke to my family, they simply said, "Do whatever feels right to you. We trust you." But at that time, it didn't feel like that. It felt more like, अच्छा दोबारा एडमिशन करवाना है अब, ऐसे पैसे तो इस पेड़ पे उगते हैं, मतलब होता है ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत फैमिलीज का. बट विद देयर सपोर्ट आई मैनेज्ड एंड अपेयर फॉर द IGT admission special spot. I was sitting on the auditorium nervous, so many thoughts in my head, and after 4 to 5 hours of waiting, I saw my name on screen. I was selected. That moment are that moment I can't even describe it. It felt like I got my life back. I was so happy at that time. I'm sharing this video because I don't want any of you to go through the same stress and tension that I go through. So here are some key takeaways that you should learn from this video. So first is research deeply. Don't go for the don't just go by the name of the course. Research deeply, talk to your senior, visit the campus, see if it's aligned with your goals or not. Keep an eye on special spot like special spot round. They can literally save your life. And most importantly, don't panic. With right decision and right timing, your dream college is still possible. Believe me, I feel that. So yeah, IGT is my second college, and honestly, it was the best decision I made. I made mistakes, so you don't have to. And if you're feeling confused, stuck, or lost right now, believe me, it's okay. Because the most important thing matter is learning, choosing better option for yourself, and moving forward. I know there are tougher problems waiting ahead in life, that's how it is. But what I have learned is you have to believe in yourself. even when it feels impossible, because no one else will believe until you do. So yeah, with that, I want to end this video. If you have any doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to the channel. So see you in the next video.